You got lucky that time. You scared the crap out of me. Oh my God. Every year during our Thanksgiving long holiday weekend, we like to travel to one of our favorite places, and that's Chattanooga, Tennessee. We originally went there the first year because my husband's birthday is on the 27th of November, and since he has a birthday during the holidays, we kind of wanted to do something special for him. But now it's kind of become our annual family thing, and we've been doing this for about 3 or 4 years now. Now, we stay right in the downtown area, and if you don't know anything about Chattanooga, it has a children's museum, it has rock climbing for kids, it has lots of places to eat within walking distance. The variety there is amazing as far as food is concerned. You also have the Tennessee River, which runs along Chattanooga, and you have the Tennessee Aquarium, which we have to go to every year. Now, along the Tennessee Aquarium, there's lots of places for the kids to play. It's right on the bank of the river, so you can actually hop on a ferry boat and grab a tour, or you can just watch the boats go by. Or you could just bust out some moves just because you're happy to be there. Now, the aquarium actually has two large exhibit buildings. One is for river animals, and the other one is for ocean.
Like he might do it again. It's so freaky.
We never get tired of actually going there because every year they add new attractions and have a lot of interactive things for the kids to play with.
Look. Mommy. Look, a waterfall. I see a waterfall. Mommy.
You can touch it. It's a black rat snake. It's non-venomous, not dangerous at all.
Does he like to be petted?
All right.
It's to being petted. Now, if you see a snake out in the yard, don't go pet it because that snake's never been around people, and it doesn't want to.
And then later on that night, we go beside the riverbank, and there's a huge festival the Friday night after Thanksgiving with a lot of vendors, music, kiosks, food trucks, you name it, it's there. And then they do a lighting of the Christmas tree in downtown Chattanooga. Then we go by the docks and we check out all of the boats decorated beautifully for Christmas, and we listen to some music and have a good time dancing while we wait for the fireworks. Then the following day, we enjoy a windy trip up the mountains towards Rock City to enjoy the magical and enchanting Garden of Lights. Rock City is an attraction up in the mountains, and you can go hiking, check out caves and waterfalls, and there's a point up high on a cliff where you can actually see 7 states at once, and it's right there where those people are at that edge. And for the holidays, they actually decorate all of the trails, so at night it just becomes magical. There are also lots of gift shops, places to eat. You can take pictures with Santa, and there's even gingerbread cookie decorating for children. Just lots of fun things to do up in Rock City. I hope you enjoyed this video and it got you in the Christmas spirit. I know it gets us in the Christmas spirit every year to go on this trip. And hey, if you guys need something to do next Thanksgiving weekend, you know where to find us. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next DIY video. Until then, adios!